What's up guys, we're back with a nice healthy dish again. So we've got a nice salmon Buddha bowl. So now we've had a rundown of all the ingredients that's needed. We've got the quinoa cooking in the background and we're going to get on to cooking the salmon. Don't be scared of the yellow label. It's nice and reduced. You won't really find it much cheaper than that. So we've got that on a medium to high heat. Nice drizzle of oil. Bit of salt and pepper on the salmon. And just add that into the pan. So we're just going to leave that for a couple of minutes, allow it to create a nice sear, then flip it over, do it on the other side, and then we'll finish it off in the oven. So now we should be ready to flip that over. And just allow that to cook on the other side for a few minutes. So now that's done, we're just going to place this onto a non-stick pan, and then we're going to make the glaze and then get it straight into the oven. So now we're going to get on to making the glaze. So I've just got some honey in there. We're going to put the ginger in there. Lemon. Try not to get the pips in there. There we go. So we're just going to spoon some of this in. We'll keep rest of it for later on. So just spoon this on. There we go. And we're just going to get this straight in the oven, about 10 minutes, 180 degrees. So the quinoa is almost done. The salmon's not far off, so we're going to get all the veggies prepped. So we'll start on the red cabbage. One red pepper. You could use any colour pepper. Just find the red ones a lot sweeter. One cucumber. Knew that was going to happen. Spring onion. And finally, our 16p avocado. Absolute bargain. I'm going to just slice this as well. There we go, everything's nice, chopped and prepped. So we're going to check the salmon, check the quinoa, and then get everything plated together. So we've got the spinach in here, honey and mustard dressing, edamame beans. Let's give that a mix. Our quinoa. Some red peppers. Our cabbage. Cucumber. Spring onion. Avocado. Drained sweet corn. And now we're going to flake up our salmon. And then this is the ginger, honey and lemon drizzle that we made earlier. So we're just going to drizzle some of that on top. So this is a perfect nutritious meal to be able to feed the family. You've got all your healthy fats, your proteins and your carbohydrates. Enjoy.